With billions of mobile users across the globe, mobile apps play a more significant role in the way people access information than ever before. While many businesses push their software products on multiple platforms, such as web and mobile, not everyone has the resources needed to build multiple solutions. In this case, and with the number of mobile users now surpassing desktop users, businesses may understandably choose mobile apps to reach their target audiences. So, with the demand for mobile apps increasing, it's important to understand mobile apps. In this video, you'll learn more about them, including the advantages and disadvantages of developing mobile apps compared to mobile websites. A mobile website is a website designed, developed, and optimized for mobile devices only. While mobile websites are designed to display and work on major browsers, they still require an internet connection and don't take advantage of the unique functionality of a mobile device. That's where mobile apps come in. A mobile app is installable software that runs on a smartphone device. Mobile apps use the device's hardware and software features and usually provide an efficient, more intuitive and seamless user experience. When choosing whether to develop a mobile app instead of a mobile website, one way to decide is to ask yourself this question: what specific actions do you expect your product to perform? For example, if you don't need your users to perform any operations and your product is mainly content-driven, then you may opt for a mobile website. But if you want users to perform actions that will require the device's hardware, you will need a mobile app. It is also helpful to understand the pros and cons of mobile apps when deciding whether to create one. The first advantage of mobile apps is that they are faster than mobile websites. They can also access the device or system resources, such as a location or Bluetooth, and can work without internet access. That said, mobile apps can be quite expensive to build and are more difficult to maintain when compared to mobile websites. Another disadvantage is that for a mobile app to be compatible with different platforms like Android and iOS, it is often required that it be built from scratch. It may also be difficult to have your app approved by the App Store if it does not meet specific requirements. You've now been introduced to mobile apps and the advantages and disadvantages of developing a mobile app compared to a mobile website. As you learned earlier, mobile apps are vital in the mobile development space. So I hope you're looking forward to creating your own app as you progress with your learning.